Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm not going to discuss any specific problem. Instead, I'll be talking about 6 common mistakes that most of the beginners make when they start learning DSA. So without wasting much time, let's look into those 6 mistakes. The first mistake is spending too much time in choosing a programming language. To be very honest, it doesn't matter. You can go for either C++, Java, Python, or even JavaScript. But my personal suggestion would be to go for either C++ or Java. So rather than wasting time in choosing a language, you can start learning and focus on the basics. The second mistake is spending too much time on a single problem. I have done this personally a lot of times at first, but later on I realized that after a particular point, you have to move forward rather than getting stuck on that one problem for days. So my suggestion would be to spend around 20 minutes maximum to think for a solution, and if you are getting the approach, then go for the implementation and try debugging it. But if you still don't have any idea about the approach, then go and see the hints and then try to do it by yourself. If you still can't do it, then look into the discussion area or watch a tutorial on YouTube. By the way, I too upload DSA tutorials on my YouTube channel. You can check out them as well. So our third point is not being consistent enough. Trust me, consistency is the key at coding. It's better to spend 1 to 2 hours daily than spending 5 to 6 hours one day and then not doing it for 3 to 4 days. So being consistent plays a very important role while learning DSA. I would say this is the most important point among all these 6 points. So the fourth point is not looking into other solutions. Often people tend to do this because as soon as their answer gets submitted, they got the dopamine and then they close that problem. But I would suggest you to go and look at other solutions too, so that you will get to know if there were better solutions than yours and learn their approach also, so that you will be having a greater intuition building mindset in future problems. This point is also something that often beginners tend to ignore. This is ignoring time and space complexity. You won't get to know the importance of them right now, but trust me, it's a very crucial thing to learn, and you should be able to tell the time and space complexity of the solution that you're writing in the interviews. And on the basis of this only, you will be going ahead with the optimal solution, basically to reduce time or space complexity. Okay, so our last point is not doing dry run before submitting the code. I know it's very annoying to take pen paper and go through what's happening in each step with a sample input, but trust me, with time you will get good at it, and it really helps a lot later in future problems and also in interviews. So those were the top 6 mistakes beginners often make while learning DSA. I want you to write down a mistake that you have committed while learning DSA, and please feel free to add some points from your end also in the comment section. I will be reading all of them and replying to each of them. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see ya.